Hi, in this video I will talk about selecting and prioritizing programs in content lockers. First, go to your publisher panel and then select the Content Locker tab. You will find it in the menu on the left. From the drop-down menu, select the Available Campaigns tab. You will see a list of campaigns. It is a list of all offers available on content lockers. From this level, you can check on which locker the campaign is available and easily move on to creating a new locker. In the description, you can find links to videos where I explain how to configure individual lockers and how to install them on a WordPress site and using HTML code. If you have already created a content locker and want to configure the available offers on it, select that content locker and click on the third icon from the left. After clicking on the icon, you will see a list of offers. For each content locker, you need to choose separate affiliate programs. In the column on the right, you will find the flags that indicate the countries in which the campaign is running. A colored flag means that the campaign is active in a given country and it will appear in the task list. You can disable the display of a certain affiliate program in a given country by clicking the flag. It will then become black and white. It is also possible to search for campaigns by country. To do this, select the Choose a Country button on the left and from the drop-down menu, select the desired one. The status of active and inactive countries allows us to see enabled and disabled offers for a given country. Also, you can search for campaigns by type, category, device, and conversion type, which is an action performed by the user. To do this, click the square next to the required type, category, or device. You can enable or disable all selected campaigns in the list at once for all countries where the campaigns work. If you want to turn them off, all you have to do is manually select several campaigns by clicking on the box on the left and then click on the Discard Selection button. If you want to disable all campaigns in the list, you first need to click on the Select All button and then Discard Selected. If you have changed your mind and you want to activate individual campaigns, the order of actions is similar. First, you manually select several campaigns or click on the Select All button if you want to accept all of them and then click the Accept Selected button. Remember that at each stage you can view details about the campaign. All you have to do is click on its name, after which you will see the description, rate, and information about the country in which it is active, the devices on which it works, and the category within it's available. Please note that the activation and deactivation of the campaign are automatically saved in the campaign list. When you duplicate the content locker, the campaign settings also copy. That's all. Watch videos in which I will explain how to configure content lockers and how to install them on WordPress website and by using HTML code. See you soon!